Memorial Day is in the month of May, and so I thought it would be fun for us to make some Memorial Day decorations. Memorial Day is a holiday.
Holiday.
And it's a patriotic or national holiday where we celebrate by remembering the people who fought for our country. So we remember the people who fought. That's a question word.
Who fought. Remember people who fought.
They fought in wars and they fought to keep our country free. As we make Memorial Day decorations, we're going to use the colors of our flag. And the colors of our flag are red, white,
and
blue.
Red, white, and blue.
But I'm pretty sure you already know how to say red, white, and blue in your device. So I thought we would practice some different words. And actually, as we're doing this activity, I'll be modeling this vocabulary on the Unity 84 sequence software. But you can use these words in all of the different versions of the Unity software. So we're going to practice some words that start with our determiner key. Our determiner key, or our wizard. And we're going to practice the words this, that, these, and those.
This, that, these, those.
And that's how we will pick the materials and the colors for our sun catcher activity so that we can practice using those words, because I know you know your colors. The first thing that we need to do is we need to cut out our frame. So I need to cut this.
I need to cut this. I need to cut this.
So I'm going to fold it in half, and I'm going to cut the frame out by cutting a rectangle out of the middle. So I'm going
to
cut a rectangle.
I'm going to cut rectangle.
I'm going to cut a rectangle. All right. So here's our white rectangle and our blue one. So I wonder, should we use this?
Should we use
this color or that color?
Or that color?
Which one do you think? This one or that one? I like that one.
I like that one. I like that one.
I like that one. So we'll use this blue one. I changed this to that and that to this, didn't I? The next thing that we need to do is we need to put on some contact paper. And the contact paper is what's in the middle that we can see through, and that's what's going to let the light come through. So that will let
the light come
through.
Through
is a preposition. So it comes with a sticky paper on the back, so I'm going to go ahead and peel this off. I have to take this off.
Take this off.
Take this off. Okay, I've got the back of it peeled off, and I'm going to lay it on the table with the sticky side up. So I'm going to put the sticky side up.
Sticky side up. Sticky side up.
You can kind of feel it, hear it sticking. Okay. Next thing I'm going to do is I have to lay my frame on top of this sticky contact paper. It almost looks like a window, doesn't it? Okay. So I have some different kinds of paper.
I have different paper. I have different paper.
I have these white papers. Some of them are flat.
Some are flat. Some are
Some of
flat.
them are flat and some of them are not flat. Some of them are crumpled, so they are not flat.
Not flat.
So let's go ahead and separate those. Okay, so I've separated them out. These pieces,
These are
they're flat.
flat. These are flat.
But those pieces over there are not flat.
Those are not flat. Those are not flat.
I also have some flat red pieces, so these I will put here.
Put these here. Put these here.
And those crumpled pieces, I will put those over here.
Put those there. Put those
I'll
there.
put those there. And finally, I have my blue pieces. Some are flat.
Some are flat. Some are flat.
Some are flat. These are flat. These are flat. So I will put these here.
Put these here. Put these here.
I'll put these here in my flat pile. And then I have some crumpled pieces. I'll put those pieces over there.
Put those there. Put those there.
Put those there. So, these are my flat pieces.
These are flat. These are flat.
And those are not flat. They're crumpled. But I don't think crumpled's in the device, so I think it's okay to say they are not flat.
Those are not flat.
So,
These are flat.
These
Those
are
are not flat.
those are not flat. So for that red one, I used the pieces that were not flat. So I'm going to say that is not flat.
That is not flat. That is not flat.
So what do you think we should pick for this one?
What should we pick? What should we pick?
What should we pick? I think I want to pick these.
I want these. I want these.
I want the flat ones because then we'll have one that's not flat and we'll have one that is flat. So I'm going to pick these that are in this pile in front of me. Now we just need to pick our colors, right? I like this color.
I like this color. I like this color.
I'm going to put some on. I'm going to put this on.
I'm going to put this on. I'm going to put this on.
In fact, I think I will put lots of these on.
Put these on.
Okay. So I put on these blue ones.
Put on these. Put on these.
Now I think that I will pick these. So far we have two of our colors. We have blue and we have white. But if we want to be truly patriotic, we need to put on our red one. So we have to put on those
reds. Red.
Let's say red pieces.
Pieces. Put on those red pieces.
Put on those red pieces. So that nice sticky contact paper makes our tissue paper stick to our sun catcher. Let's go ahead and see what these look like hanging in the window. Okay, so I hung these up.
Hung these up. Hung these up.
I like them. What do you think?
What do you think? What do you think?
Happy Memorial Day.